Hi, once again, this is Kaisar from RankNinza.com. Today's video is going to be very useful at the same time interesting, and there will be a giveaway for the subscriber of my channel. So watch the full video and learn how you will earn the giveaway. Okay, let me show how what I will show you today. I will show you how you can filter fake orders from your e-commerce website. Nowadays, this is a challenge to filter fake orders from your e-commerce website. And one of the most popular method is to collect some deposit from your customer so you can understand which order is fake and which order is actual. So let me show. Suppose I will purchase few items from this website. Now I am going to check out. Okay, let me put some test data, and here test at okay. Look here, it is showing pay shipping charge advance, pay full amount. I mean, for confirming the order, your customer has two options. One is to pay the shipping charge, that is $10 in advance, and the another is pay the full amount. And this is the most popular method to filter fake order. So if user select pay shipping charge advance, then he will charge the shipping charge, that is $10 for now, and the rest of the amount he can pay when he will get the product delivered, that is cash on delivery or COD. Okay, now test it. Okay, it will charge for $10 only. Look here, the total amount was $10 and it was credit card through Stripe, and the rest amount your customer will be able to pay upon delivery or COD, cash on delivery. In this way, you can filter fake orders from your WooCommerce or e-commerce website. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, which will inspire me to create more informational content for you. And for my subscriber, I will give a plugin that I will use in this tutorial for free. If you want to buy the plugin from Code Canyon, it will cost almost $57, but you can use the GPL license, which is good to go, and I will give away for my subscriber. I will share the procedure later. Let me show how to use the plugins. Okay, let me log in to another test site and go to the add new plugin, upload plugin, and this is the plugin. Actually, I will give it for free to my subscriber. Okay, after uploading the plugin, just click activate plugin. Okay, now there is few settings. So go to WooCommerce and settings. I believe that here you will get a new tab, that is deposits, and this is the settings tab of this plugin. Okay, you have to put this yes here, and uh, it is not necessary to touch anything in this tab. Just click save changes, and this is important, display and text. Here you have to allow these three options, and deposit button primary text. This color is the button text. Let me go here and show you again. This is the color. Okay, I am choosing it red here. Okay, deposit button text. Here you have to you have to write a message that will show on the deposit button. Pay shipping charge advance, for example. Okay, here pay advance shipping charge. Sorry, charge. Shipping charge. Pay full amount. This is the full amount button text that is here. Okay, now to pay. Here to pay means this button, pay shipping charge and confirm your order. I am placing the same message. You can write anything you want. And for future payment, this is the future payment. Pay the due amount upon delivery. Again, I repeat that you can customize this message as per your requirement. But for now, I am keeping it as it is. Now click Save Change. And the another important thing is enable checkout mode. You must select it yes, and it will be fixed and put 0. Just follow this step and it will work fine. Okay, now the last step is gateway. Uh, if you want to disallow for deposit and disallow for partial payment, any gateway, you may put it. For example, I want to disallow direct bank transfer, direct check, cash on delivery. Okay, this one here, same, check payment, cash on delivery. I do not want to make deposit using these three method. Click save changes. I think everything is fine now. Now let me test it in new window. Okay, let me buy something. Right. Okay, check out. Look here, it has been implemented. If user select full amount, then the full amount will be paid, and if the user select pay advance shipping charge, then he will be charged only your shipping amount. And it is dynamic. That means if your website has a shipping charge of $15 for a certain location, it will charge for $15 for that location's customer. And if your website has $12 for another location's customer, then it will charge $12. That means it is fully dynamic. Okay, in this way, you can implement this advanced shipping charge payment method for your website, which will very helpful for filtering fake data or fake order from your website. Okay, now I will talk about giveaway. For getting these plugins for free, you just need to subscribe my channel and then check the description of this video or write a comments in this video. I will reply with the download link of this plugin. Okay, look, it has been implemented successfully. Anyway, if you want to make e-commerce website like this or you need any help regarding digital marketing or e-commerce website development, then you may contact with me. I can help you with this. Okay, thank you for today. Bye bye.